Kerrville Old River Road RV Park Car Show. People are getting set up, and I'm going to show you around just a little bit before it gets busy. We got some pretty stuff here. Miro. Morning.
Morning, sir.
55 Bel Air. Modernized. Morning, Jack.
Morning, sir. How we doing?
I am well. How are you?
So far, so good.
Getting her all prettied up.
Trying.
Well, yeah, gotta have that.
Gotta have that.
Gotta have it.
When I first started showing cars, there was an old man that I showed with, probably 10 shows. And I asked him what he always won. I asked him what the trick to winning was. He said, you gotta have a gimmick.
That's it. Right? Gotta have a gimmick. Yep.
And mine is candy for the kids. Because if you make the kids like the car by giving them candy, Mom and Dad
will vote for you. Yeah, I like it. I like that a lot. I like this. I like the subdued stripes on there. That's cool.
You can't feed them.
Oh wow. Yeah.
About 15 coats of lacquer, but you can't feed them.
Man, she's pretty. She is pretty. Oh, we got an AirPod Ride Connect. Air rag. Got the Camaro. Another Mustang. Another little Mustang car inside. That must be a thing. Here's a Gremlin X. Got the 6-cylinder with the air conditioning. Got the old shifter on the floor. Way cool. So the guy told me that he's owned this car twice. He owned it in high school and he sold it. And I believe he said 30 years later, he bought it back. Where you want him, Dennis?
Well, they're full up here right now, so we'll got an option here, or behind the orange mirror.
Oh yeah, there's one right here. So he owned this thing twice, he said. Yeah, beep beep. And 383. What year is this one? Your car here?
33.
33, right? And then
33 Billy.
Care if I put your car on YouTube?
It's been on everything
All
already.
right, yeah.
Anyway.
So what's your name?
Glenn.
Glenn. You've been doing this a while.
Yeah.
You got a couple cars too, I get from what I was, 3 of them. 3 different ones. I think this motor thing is way cool. Way cool. You should tell me the lift and the duration of the cam again.
543 lift, 292 duration.
That's awesome. That is awesome. Really pretty color too, man, oh man.
They call that a special candy apple red.
Special candy apple red. You gotta like that, right?
Yeah, it's just basically just candy apple red with a little orange and a little flake in it.
It looks beautiful.
So it does lighten it up a little bit, but it depends on where you're sitting. It changes colors. Some, like in the garage, it'll be a deep dark red, or if it's a cloudy day, you get real bright light, it's orange tint. I mean, it changes.
It's crazy. I saw you coming in, and I'm like, first I heard you, and then I saw what was connected to it, and like, holy crap, this is cool. And I love it.
Thank you.
Thank you. And then we got us a Nova over here. Look at that, it's the original window sticker. I don't know if you can see it very well, but this car sold for like, yeah, 2,800 bucks. Walk around, see what we got here. Good morning.
Good morning.
What a beautiful car. Oh. Air Force veteran. This guy's a retired chief. Getting all cleaned up, Chief?
Oh yeah, Yep.
Yeah, gosh, it's so nice.
Thank you.
She's a beauty.
That's the original interior. The only thing that's not original is the center console.
Yeah,
I found that. I was like, oh yeah, okay.
that looks good in there too. Yeah, that looks really good in there. Boy, cool, you got yourself a couple of awards with this bad boy.
Yeah, just a few.
And that's nice. Yes, sir.
And we're gonna have to move cars because we only got a couple of spots left, and we're gonna try to park cars on here.
Okay, perfect.
So you know where it's at.
Here we go. President. Morning, sir. I am well. How about you? There's a Thunder Valley moonshine truck. Wagonair Commander. The Baker. I notice a lot of people have first aid kits in their trunks. Chrome intake, holy moly.
Fixing to come in up there. Look at that.
Oh, wow. That might be a Buick. It's got those little round things on the fender. We're going to go find out.
Yeah.
He's coming down here.
Yeah.
I'm going to put him.
Send him this other way.
Now we got one driving in. And nothing is complete without a food truck. So anyway, at Antics, Old River Road Car Show. They do it right here at Old River Road. I think so.
Hey, how we doing? You get to pull in right here.
Gina. Oh. Super Dynahow. Wow. Well, gosh. Let's find out. Yeah, it's a Buick. Yeah. Back at Old River Road. see what I can find to look at. Y'all don't, some of you know me, some of you don't know me, but anyway, I'm like big kids. That's me. And I'm kind of a gearhead. And I'm goofy and all those fun things. But this young lady right here, I brought this stuff along, she didn't know it, but then we were talking one day, and she told me about drag strips and drag racing, right? And I didn't know she was like into drag racing. So I said, well, guess what I have? I happen to have a drag strip. So she said, well, that'd be fun. And then she's like going crazy. It was a riot. So then I said, well, you know, we could do this, right? So my bride worked really hard on this today. My input was just telling her, this is what I got, let's see what you can do with it. So this is our hometown drag strip right here.
Oh my God!
And so you gotta pay really close attention to detail.
Time out.
Oh my God!
Oh, just let it roll.
Okay, it's still going, you just don't see it.
Okay.
Yeah, you just tap the screen.
And then you'll see it.
So we got, this is actually one of the cars that'll run on this track. And this is actually a car that'll run on this track. And if you look at the detail on them, these are handmade bodies. They're really cool. But this one here won't run on the track, and it's glued to this board. But there happens to be a little Sharon right there. And on the hood, there happens to be a little red heart. And then, if you look up here, we got Old River Road RV Resort Rage and Cajun Raceway. Because somebody told us that her nickname is Rage and Cajun. I don't know if that comes from Dennis or not, it might have. But then, so today, I'm gonna go learn how to cook Cajun. So I'm like, what do I got to put on this raceway for this cook we got here? And so, I don't know, if you take a little close up of this here, sir, maybe you could even read what that says.
Jambalaya, Louisiana.
How about that? You didn't know I had that, did you?
Absolutely.
I bought that 2 years ago, something like that, and we've been carrying that around apparently for this purpose. Right? So then we're gonna go over here. And so this is a drag strip. It's got a Christmas tree on it. You know, you gotta watch the lights, right? Quarter mile. And this is scale quarter mile actually. And boom. And away you go, and then down there, when you go underneath it, the red light will come on and tell you who won. That's right. And this is actually a car that'll run on this track. And then I'm a 55 Chevy nut, so this one will run on the track, but not this one, because this one's extremely hard to find. And then this one here is impossible to find. So that one's in bubble wrap, because I don't want to have to do it. And then these are what you can buy at Hobby Lobby right here in town that'll race on this track. And then I have these other ones that we'll race on this track. And we thought we could get together and race, and if we wanted, we could do anything we wanted. We could do a one-day race thing, and we could do a once every couple of weeks, whatever Sharon comes up with. She's the activity lady. And we can keep points if you want. We can do anything we want. We're a bunch of kids.
So you can buy those at Hobby Lobby.
Hobby Lobby. And then this,
The bracket board, thank you.
this set right here, I bought that set at Love's Truck Stop. And that, just for collector, people that collect this stuff, the only place you can buy that set and get those two cars is at a Love's Truck Stop.
So you can just take the Hot Wheels and put it on the track?
Oh no, it's not a Hot Wheels. So, hold on, man. Here you go. Lonnie will show you. Let's rev them up. Let's rev them up. You guys stand over here. Over here. Yep, so you can see the Christmas tree. You push straight down on that button. No, on the top. So, push down on your button. Let up. So Lonnie, you're in lane 1. You hear that? Okay. Oh, it sounds like a pooch. Could be a pooch. All right, so now, know anything about drag racing? You're gonna see 2 white lights, and that's supposed to stage. Now, if you move your car past these 2 little dots, you're out. Red light. Turn that switch on down there, if you would, Charles. So there's a little black switch. Move it on that rack there.
Right here?
John, push that forward.
Or back?
Whoever gets to that spot first, the red light's gonna come on above your lane and you're the winner. So, without further avail, it's gonna go white, white, yellow, 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 green, okay? Uh-oh. Lonnie called out, oh! So, now ladies, watch it. Move that car, Charles. Donnie? Sharon? Okay, warm them up good. Okay. Now these cars here, these are from back in the 60s right here. And they're a little smaller. Rev them up again, ladies. Ooh, those both sound really good. Oh yeah. All right, so we got a Camaro against a GT40. Whoa! Camaro wins.
Yeah.